Breaking embroidery news. I have discovered the secret to creating gorgeous freestanding lace and lace. Keep watching and find out what the secret is. But first, my intro. Okay, guys, I have literally found the secret to freestanding lace, to creating it, not just stitching it, to creating it how you want it. And it's fantastic. So, are you ready? Here's the secret. It is called My Lace Maker software. And it's from Designs and Machine Embroidery, and it is standalone software that is absolutely fantastic. And of course, what I always do, I test everything to its fullest for you guys, so you guys don't have to worry about it. I've been at it for about 2 days now, and all I could come up with is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous lace and freestanding lace. There are 1,100 motifs, and by motif they mean the design, and different things, different shapes. There is everything that you need to create gorgeous lace like this, or gorgeous lace like this. This was my very first attempt, and it literally took me about 10 minutes to do. It took longer to stitch out, but it's gorgeous. It's still wet. I'm going to flatten it out for the nice reveal pictures, but this is something you guys are going to love. It creates gorgeous lace, and again, I have tested it to its fullest. You don't have to have digitizing skills to be able to do this. And the results are truly gorgeous, so you'll be surprised. So let me give you guys a quick peek into the software and then the stitch out so you guys can see for yourselves how excellent this is. And we will be working with this software over the next few weeks, and you guys will be really happy with this. Now, this is standalone software, so if you don't have any other digitizing software, this runs by itself, and it's really good. So I think it would be an amazing addition to any embroidery software, anything. This does it fast and easy. You guys will be surprised. So let's go to the software. All right, here we are in the software, and there are tons and tons of shapes that you can do, or borders. These are absolutely fantastic. There's holiday ones, there's shapes, animals, basic shapes. I'm going to pick the Easter egg because I think it's really cute. And I'm in a 4x4 hoop here. And you can resize it. You can do everything you want. Now to turn it into the lace, it is one click. The lace and the border together. And then you have options for the lace inside of how you want to do it. Now this is the coolest part of it, is you can pick from 1,100 elements or motifs to add to it. And this is the time saver, and this is also the beauty of it. There's so many different pieces. You can create something spectacular and original. So I picked this cute little seahorse, and I'm just going to resize it and put it where I want. And I think that looks really cute. Maybe not a seahorse and an egg, but you get the idea. And change the colors easily enough, make it look a little bit better. You can change the color or do it all in one color, but the color changes are easy to do, one click, and I think that looks really good. Now I wanted to cut a hole in it, and that is also one click because I want the seahorse to only have green on it. And literally just one click to do. It's so easy. And look, it's done. Doesn't that look spectacular? I'm so happy. That's all it takes to do it. All right, so let's take it to the machine at super speed so you can see how my design panned out. Now, I didn't do the seahorse one, but I just threw some decorations on. an Easter egg for Easter. I think my mother-in-law really like it. And it stitches out amazingly. I didn't have any problems with my machine. Of course, it's on WSS, and there's a tiny bit of puckering, but nothing pulls apart. So it's really set up properly, and I love it. So if you guys love freestanding lace, say lace in the comments, because I want to know how many people are excited about it. I'm really impressed with this software. I can't tell you how much I tested it and worked on it and worked with it, and the designs that you can create are amazing. And this is proof right here that they stitch out beautifully. Now the final design is absolutely stunning. I just love it, and it was so easy to, and I really loved the whole process because you can literally design your own lace. It doesn't have to be freestanding lace. That just happens to be what I tried first. And you can do any kind of lace. So lace lovers, comment I love lace or lace in the comments section of this video. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this series, and I think this software is excellent. I noticed on the Designs and Machine Embroidery website that they actually have a whole bunch of software, and some of them look really cute. This is the newest software, so I'm really happy to get my hands on it. I'm really happy to test it for you guys and show you my results, and we will be working on this in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be working with this quite a bit because I really do feel that this is going to be an asset to everybody. Basically, the sky's the limit with this software. We can make bookmarks, we can you can write. There's so many things to do. So I will be going through and giving you guys the ins and outs of this software and how easy it is, and we'll do lettering, we'll do everything that I can think of to test it out. So even if you don't have this software, make sure you watch the series and you will know everything about this software before you even get it. And I think everybody's going to get it because I've never seen anything like this. Like I said, freestanding lace is gorgeous. I love stitching it. I love making bookmarks for Christmas or any kind of gifts. But freestanding lace, the really nice freestanding lace like this egg, is really hard to do for digitizing, and it's extremely time consuming. So I love this answer. This is literally a game changer for embroidery, for designers and for stitchers alike. It's an absolute game changer, and it's going to enable everybody to make amazing lace. So follow along with me for this next series. So that's breaking embroidery news. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we will be working on more lace, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.